Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ilvani Adira from TBI A, fourth semester. Uh, my research, the title is Student Perception in Using English Song as Media for Learning Pronunciation in English Club Source. I using survey method. The phenomena in the last event semester at EIN Batu Sangkar in semester second, I studied English Club, one of the material of each song. I found many friends who could pronunciation through English song. They listen to English song while looking at the lyric and sing it too. So in this study, I will examine the topic of student perception of English song as a pronunciation learning media in English Club Source because I want to find a way of learning that is easy to learn for students, and also students are happy in learning it because seeing this phenomenon, I want to examine what students think about the phenomenon. The difference between this research and previous research is that previous research focused on the correlation between student learning habit in listening English song and their pronunciation capacity, while this research focused on student opinion about using English song as a media for learning pronunciation. The purpose of this study was to find out student opinion about learning pronunciation through a song according to a second semester TBI student at EIN Batu Sangkar. The review of related literature, review of relevant theory. Number one is theory of English song. The first of definition of song. From several definitions of the song above, it can be concluded that the song is a work of art or sound that is rhythmic and accompanied by music. Generally, a song is music that is sung with various rhythms and tones. The song is also accompanied by music or arrangement that can be performed solo, duet, trio, or so on. The second is benefit of song. Song have many benefits, namely such as being able to entertain, and listening song can improve listening and pronunciation, can prompt a positive attitude toward L2 learning. Somehow, the research our mind and song can be very helpful as comprehensible input for students. The second, number two, is theory of pronunciation. The first is definition of pronunciation. From the several definition of the pronunciation, it can be concluded that pronunciation is how we pronounce word in English, or we produce the sound that we use to make meaning when we speak with correct pronunciation. The second is how to improve pronunciation. Listening and imitating the way native speaker pronounce word or English song and sentence as the listen material can help students improve their pronunciation. A factor influencing pronunciation. Summarize the most important learning variable that influence pronunciation learning. They include native language, exposure, innate phonetic ability, identity and language ago, and motivation and concern for good pronunciation. And review of relevant study, I found 15 journal or article. And method, right? The number one is research type and design. This study used a survey research design with a quantitative approach, and uh, I use a cross-sectional survey design where the activity of collecting the data obtained from a sample was carried out in the one instant and did not take a long time. The reason I use a cross-sectional survey because I felt that the cross-sectional was the most appropriate because the effective cross-sectional provide an overview of the current behavior, attitude, and belief in a population. And this research is about student opinion about learning pronunciation through English song. So according to this research is about student opinion. Uh, this design is the most appropriate, and the research only take the data on the refers to the cross-sectional characteristic. And I using a questionnaire as the main data collection instrument. Population example. The population in this study were all student TBI second semester of the EIN Batu Sangkar. The participant who attend this study is 75 students with 25 students in class A, 26 in class B, and 24 in class C. So the total population is 75 people. Data and instrument. I give a questionnaire about student opinion using English song as pronunciation learning media to collect the data. The questionnaire is distributed to students to get their opinion, point of view, and their personal feeling about the use of English song as media for learning pronunciation. The questionnaire is a Likert scale, and I will give a 20 statement to be answered by responding. Research procedure. The first, identifying a research problem. I found that in English club source on the one of the lecture learning method was English song, so I want to examine whether English song could improve student pronunciation or not. Next, review of the literature. So to inform the committee about the latest literature, and for this research plan, I look for several books, journal, and indicate related to English song and pronunciation. Next, specifying a purpose for a research. So, I formulated the question that will be asked of the people selected for the study in draft. I sketches in this statement of purpose, releasing the main directing for this study and help keep the research focus on the main purpose of this study. Next, collecting the data and then analyze and interpreting the data And the last, reporting and evaluating research. Finding discussion. Collect the collected data was then processed using Microsoft Excel 2013 and SPSS version 16 application. Uh, I use a Microsoft Excel, make it easier to collect and input data, questionnaire data, and then copy and paste into SPSS version 16 application processing. Step 4 using RB using function analyze next descriptive statistic and frequency, and next then move those item with the total item to the variable column, and then click OK. After that, the output of the descriptive statistic appears in frequency table. The major finding uh, of this research is that English song can improve student pronunciation, and using English song as media for learning pronunciation is very popular with students. Based on the data collected and analyzed from the questionnaire, it can be concluded that most students feel English songs are very helpful for them in improving their pronunciation. They also feel that the English song they listen to have the power to encourage student motivation to learn the correct pronunciation and learn English more deeply. Recommendation for English teacher. With this research, English teacher can use song as media for learning pronunciation, learning for student, in order to make the learning pronunciation more exciting. A teacher can also motivate students to learn by giving positive activity with song. For student can listen to English song to increase their interest in learning pronunciation, and student can also listen to English song to make learning more relaxing and fun. And for readers, this study is recommended to be used as a reference for various types of information checking about student perception of English song lyric to improve pronunciation. Maybe it's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.